Buddy, check this out. Kung naghahanap ka nga ng low cash out, move-in ready, minimalist house na accessible to Manila and airport, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Yes, buddy, you heard that right. For as low as 58,750 cash out only dahil sa ating 488,000 discount, ay talaga namang panalo ka dito dahil rent-o na nga ang dating nito. Once malone takeout na tayo, ay subject for turnover na rin ang ating unit. And yes, buddy, move-in ready kaya naman livable na nga rin ito upon turnover dahil ito ay complete finish kaya naman less hassle at dadali mo na lang ang gamit at family mo. Nasa loob ng gated, secured, hindi binabaha at may complete amenities. Located sa Barangay Halayhay, Tansa, Cavite, accessible to Manila and airport via Cavitex at one bus ride nga lang ito going to PITS. Discounted TCP is 2,675,000 pwede sa mga hindi pag-ibig member for as low as 18,000 monthly. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!